Hello guys, my name is Milap Purohit and you clicked on this video after watching the title that it took me 8 hours to edit 1 minute. But that's not from my side. These words are from the beginners editors or also intermediate editors who are switching up with the niche but not able to figure it out that why it's taking you 8 hours to edit 1 minute. You think like some people are think like this is unrealistic thing. It doesn't take you 8 hours, but yes, maybe it will take you 8 hours because when I was you, it took me 10 hours to edit 1 minute video for, well, I'm basically in anime niche, so that's why I'm telling you, but I'm 100% sure this kind of things also happens in documentary niche, in finance niche, or in whatever kind of a different niche which you know, okay, or which you want to switch up it, but you thinking like this and then you give up on this thing. Hello Tamis, let's jump into it. But before we start this video, want to tell you something is like, when I was you, no one told me that what to do, okay, what to do in this situation and how I figure this out. To be honest, there is no shortcut in these things. No one has also guided me because no one is like on this, like on this place to guide me, like do this thing, or also I don't have enough money to buy any kind of a mentorship also. But the craziest part is I face this barrier, I come up from this barrier and I conquer it. But the thing is how, like you might be thinking that okay bro, but how did you did it? I tried 50 different ways and there will be like only 1 or 2 ways which will be useful for you as per 2 different kind of circumstances. Like 2 different kind of circumstances, what do I mean by this is basically 2 personalities. Editors have 2 different personalities. One editor is like they are fully into the editing things, they don't have distractions in their life, or they don't get distracted while editing any kind of videos and they are fully focused on it, but still they can't even reduce the working hour times or something like that. And second editors are like they can do this shit done real quick, but the thing is they're distracted a lot. They get distracted by Instagram or by some random shits, okay, I don't care, but there's kind of a 2 different things which is like taking you 8 hours to edit 1 minute. And this is like this is like a POV from my side, but I think that this is a 90% I'm sure about it, that what I said is 100% true. Now let's talk about that, how can you overcome from this thing. Well, basically first, the things you are ignoring is the thing you should adapt it right now. I'm not telling you that you are ignoring any girlfriend, then you must chase the girlfriend, okay? Basically, first thing which is taking the time is brainstorming. Of course, brainstorming takes a lot of time. But I think, and as per my POV, and as I train many editors in my agency and for mentorship also, and this is like a real quick result. 3 days only. It will take 3 days to solve your brainstorming ideas. The only thing you want to do is you have to just watch videos in which you have to jump on this niche. Like maybe say for example, if you are jumping in finance niche, then you must watch any good finance creators who are uploading kind of a good edit videos. So you just have to watch videos again, but not the same video, watch different kind of videos to get ideas. It just only takes 3 days to solve your brainstorming idea. Mark my words, and I'm sure about it. And I don't talk some random shit in any kind of videos, okay? Each videos are like very genuine, and yeah, sometimes I upload kind of a fun basis videos, but that's the secondary part. So basically, if there is a brainstorming issue, then you must watch kind of a videos in which you want to start edit or in which you want to dive into that niche, okay? Basically, I think you get it what I mean. Second thing is, I already said, and I'm saying right now also, that you are just one preset away to edit that kind of videos, okay? You are just one preset away. Now there are tons of different presets, tons of different assets in different niches, okay? But basically entertainment niche and this kind of a vlogging niche requires popping up titles and sliding up drop shadows and all these things. But other than that, it's not just about preset, it's also about how you're applying onto these videos, how you're applying into the videos. Like say for example, you are using drop shadow, but you don't know that, like at what part drop shadow will look cool. So you are just adding drop shadow in every part, in every PNG, whatever what you are seeing, you are adding drop shadow everywhere. But that is not the proper way. If you are adding kind of a background, okay, you are adding a background and then you are adding any avatar or something like that, and you are adding drop shadow, that make also sense. And in any part in which you are showing any manga panels or something, not I'm just not talking about one particular anime niche, but I'm just saying in general. Okay, you feel like that, okay, in this part it's particularly necessary. Again, I'm not going to give you a very in-depth, okay, but I think you are experienced right now and know that, okay, where it should be actually put into that part, like what I mean. It's like, that, okay, in this part it makes sense, but in this part it doesn't make any sense. Okay, third thing, what videos make cool is like, it's like, bro, in every different niche there is a different ways to make videos cool. Say for example, in finance niche you don't have to add tons of transitions in the videos, okay, but in entertainment niche, in anime niche, or in any IRL kind of a niche, you have to add transitions. Okay, you have to add creative transitions to make videos cool. Okay, but in finance you don't need it. In documentary you need it, but not a lot like entertainment, or not a less like finance. Okay, just a moderate bit kind of a transitions, but you still need it. So it's also depend on you that in which niche you are into it. Okay, but I think that by observing kind of a videos or watching this kind of videos only, it can solve your 90% of problems, and 10% are like remaining this kind of problems, like using presets, having transitions, having sound effects pack. Other than that, I don't think so there is any big thing that is just taking your time consuming stuff. Other than that, there is nothing. Okay, there is nothing you can come up with or you can solve up with it. Okay, other than that, it's just a rough hard work you have to do, and you have to rub your ass off to just complete it, and soon like fast. So basically what I want to say is, just by watching someone videos, solve your 90% of problems, and rest 10% of problems is just you have to solve. So if you are thinking that this thing is very hard, then stop thinking like this. You are not a poop, man. Okay, I know. If you are poop, then this is the chance to change your mentality right now after watching this video, because somehow I believe that mentality also affects in work, and it could be kind of any kind of work. If you are a script writer, video editor, designer, shoe photographer, or something like that. If you have positive mentality, then you can make it. If you have negative mentality, then bro, this video also doesn't make any sense. After watching 50 tutorials also doesn't make any sense. So before ending this video, let me make you clear it out what you want. Okay, what you really want to focus on it. First, you have to change your mentality, mindset. Change the mindset. Second thing, you have to be a good observer before jumping into anything. This thing doesn't apply in video editing, but this thing apply in every different field. Okay, not just editing, but it apply everywhere. So before you be a good editor, you must be a good observer. Okay, you must be a good observer. You also need a patience. Okay, you also need a patience, because this is a thing. It's like you cannot get a quick results onto it. Okay, it will take time. Maybe it will take a week, but I think so far it will take only 2 weeks to improve from who you are right now to who you want to be. It will take only 2 weeks, like 14 days maximum. Okay, including Sunday also. You don't have to take rest on Sundays. If you are taking rest on Sundays, then count 2 or 3 days extra. If you are counting any days, if you are counting any holiday days in between these 14 days, you need to have some materials ready. It could be sound effects, it could be presets, it could be b-rolls, it could be backgrounds. Okay, anything. So these 4 things are very important. And 5th thing is like hard work. Of course, without hard work you can't achieve anything. There is nothing kind of a thing like people say do smart work, but before smart work you must be practice up with this hard work thing. You must be a donkey before being a horse, because when you know that how it feels like to be a donkey, then these fears keep you in mind, and you must be, like, keep running onto the shades, keep running onto the seats, and you become horse. But if you are new and you just want to become a horse, that's not possible. And if in case you are making this thing happening, then bro, I'm 100% sure that you are not going to be a long term running horse in this field. Because if you come as a short term, like, you got a short term success, okay, you got a real quick success, maybe in a month you're getting good amount of money, but somehow in life there is a one moment in which you face a struggle, you face a negativity, you face, like, bro, there is nothing to help you, you face miserable, you get depressed, there is everything which is going to be happening in your life. And at that day, I'm 100% sure that you are not able to handle that kind of stress, because you are not familiar with it, okay? So bro, this is my genuine advice to you guys. If you are planning to be a horse or tiger or lion, before that you must experience that how donkey feels like, okay? So struggles make you a real person, okay? Short term things, short term success or shortcuts doesn't make you a real man, or doesn't you get enough kind of what can I say, bro? So I don't want to stretch it up this video, but I'm just ending this video right now. I hope you get it what I mean. And like there is a last thing I want to say is, I what I'm telling you is the thing what I did. So there is a live example of what I say is 100% true, okay? I'm not watching any kind of videos and then telling you that do this kind of things. I'm just sharing my own experience, that if it's taking your 8 hours a day, I was taking 10 hours a day. So it took me 10 hours and it's taking your 8 hours. So basically you are a little bit good than me, okay, as a beginner. It's a very good thing for you guys, okay? But if you improve these few things which I mentioned, like 4 things, it will change your life, okay? People ignore it, editors ignore it, but this is the thing which you want to focus on it, and that will make you a good man, okay? That will make you a good man, that will make you a good, this will give you a good stable career also, bro, okay? This will give you a good stable career. And as a being independent freelancer, as a being independent man who is running his house alone, or who is helping his father, then I think, bro, you must work on this rule. You will get 100% succeed in your life. And if you are looking for any kind of a work and you are good at it, then you can simply apply in my agency. There is a website link given in the description box. Also, I've added some affiliate links in which you can, if you want to buy any assets or presets, you can simply go and check it out. Social handles also, if you feel like you want me to follow or you want me to work on your project, then you can simply contact me on Instagram or maybe on Discord also. So see you guys in another next video, guys. Till then, take care. Mark these 4 points in your head, like, just lock into it, focus on it, you will be succeed 100% sure. May God bless you guys, keep hustling. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.